Hi everyone, Aditi Dubey here. Welcome back. Today, we are peeking into cancer's kitchen to see how it keeps its engine roaring. We have talked about mutations, blood vessels, and immune evasions, but here is a new angle: metabolism. Cancer cells don't just grow fast, they eat fast too. They rewire their energy systems to fuel that rapid growth, and it's a wild, hungry mess. Let's dig in. So, how do cancer cells tweak their metabolism? Normally, like the well behaved ones in your body, make energy through a neat process. They take glucose, sugar from your food, break it down in the mitochondria with oxygen, and churn out ATP, the energy currency. It's efficient like a hybrid car sipping fuel. But cancer cells, they off script. Even when oxygen's around, they lean hard into something called the Warburg effect, named after Otto Warburg, who spotted it a century ago. It's where cancer cells ferment glucose into lactate, like yeast making beer. Instead of burning it fully, it's less efficient, producing way less ATP per sugar molecule, but it's fast and speeds what they need to keep dividing like crazy. They are guzzling glucose at 10, 20 times the rate of normal cells, turning it into building block for more cells, not just energy. It's a growth hack. That's the big difference from normal cells. Healthy cells are patient. They maximize energy, squeezing every drop out of glucose with oxygen in the mitochondria. Cancer cells, they are sprinters, not marathoners. They would rather crank through sugar quickly, even if it's wasteful, to pump out proteins, DNA, and fats for new cells. Mitochondria take a backseat. They are still there, but cancer is not waiting around for slow and steady. It's like normal cells are cooking a gourmet meal, while cancer cells are slamming energy drinks to keep the party going. And that lactate they spit out. It acidifies the tumor's neighborhood, helping it evade and dodge the immune system. Sneaky, right? Here is why this matters. Targeting metabolism could be a game changer for treatment. If cancer is so hooked on this sugar binge, what if we cut the supply or block the enzymes it uses to ferment glucose? Drugs that mess with the Warburg effect, like ones hitting glycolysis pathways, are in the works. It's tricky, normal cells need sugar too, but cancer's greed gives us an edge. We could starve it out or poison its favorite meal. Combine that with other therapies, and we might hit where it hurts. It's not prime time yet, lots of kinks to iron out, but in the lab, I have seen tumors slow down when we tweak their fuels line. It's a glimmer of hope. Now picture this. Cancer cells are like greedy sugar addicts in your body. Imagine a kid at a candy store shoving handfuls of sweet into their mouth, not caring about the mess. Sugar everywhere, wrappers on the floor. That's cancer, grabbing glucose like it's going out of style, leaving lactate as its sticky trash. Normal cells are the polite shoppers, taking just what they need, savoring it slowly. Cancer, that kid who would raid your pantry and still demand more. It's a monster with a sweet tooth, and it's eating to grow, not to live. This hunger's weakness we can exploit. Next time, we'll jump into precision medicine, tailoring the fight. For now, think of those sugar addicts running wild in your cells. How do we shut down their candy store? That's what I am chasing in the lab. See you at the next one.